How to fix Cash App won't let me buy Bitcoin. Hi everyone, this is Rose. Without further ado, let's get started. If you're having trouble, you need to contact Cash App's customer support. Open Cash App, tap profile icon in top right corner, scroll down, tap support, tap something else. Scroll down, tap Cash Card, at bottom tap contact support. Select Not About Transaction, finally tap Chat to reach a representative. And after that, you can simply explain the issue that fix Cash App won't let me buy Bitcoin. Hopefully, the representative of Cash App will help you to fix this kind of issues on Cash App and you'll be able to buy Bitcoins on Cash App. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.